When the weather's hot and the watermelon's sweet, you know it's officially time to start making these popsicles on repeat. Welcome back. Let's get right into this easy recipe. You're just gonna get your blender and add 3 cups of cubed watermelon, 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons of agave. All right, so blend that all up and then you're gonna pour this into the popsicle molds. You wanna make sure that you leave about 1/4 inch at the top for the popsicles to expand as they freeze. Then cover them up, add your popsicle sticks, and put them in the freezer. You wanna make sure that you turn your freezer to the coldest setting, and if you have one of those quick freeze buttons, you can use that too. The slower that your popsicles freeze, the more likely they are to get those like icy crystals. So the quicker you can freeze them, the better. The amount of time they're gonna need to freeze is gonna vary depending on your freezer. I would say 4 to 5 hours is probably good, but I usually like to put them in at night and then they're ready to go in the morning. Once they've frozen all the way through, you're just gonna wanna let them sit out at room temperature for about 5 minutes before you pop them out of the mold. If you're gonna eat them all within a couple of days, you can just pop them into one big freezer bag and put them in the freezer. But if you plan to keep them longer, I'd recommend wrapping them separately. Well, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching.